how to tie a furoshiki in the style of Kousa Tsutsumi. Step 1 is to choose your furoshiki. This one is our zinnia flower print. Next, lay it flat, printed side down. Make sure you smooth out any creases. Next, place your object in the middle diagonally and pull the top right corner to the center and the bottom right corner. And make a bow. Take the top left corner and thread it under the bow. Wrap it under the bow towards the center. Now pull the bottom left corner to the center and make a bow. Tug on the bows to straighten them out. And your gift is ready to give. Follow along for more tutorials.